It's all about the zoom camera in the battle brewing between the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now that Samsung has upgraded its telephoto lens and display, we are hearing more information about it. You may have heard that Apple will finally include a periscope zoom on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, giving that device a 6x optical zoom, which is a significant improvement above the 3x zoom for the iPhone 14 Pro Max now available. On the front of cameras, Samsung isn't standing still, however. A new 3x 50-megapixel sensor will be added to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, joining the device's current 10x zoom camera, according to leaker S24. This would be a significant resolution boost in comparison to the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra's 10-megapixel 3x telephoto zoom camera. According to Universe, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be able to produce excellent 5x zoom picture quality with the use of this upgraded sensor. A 48-megapixel, 5x telephoto zoom camera is available on the Google Pixel 7 Pro, thus Samsung may be falling behind in this area. According to rumors, the zoom SAB will also be included on the Pixel 8 Pro. The more enigmatic information from S24 is that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will finally have an improved screen, but what the earth does that? According to one source, Samsung may opt to raise the refresh rate on the Galaxy S24 Ultra to 144 Hz. This would be a welcome bump from the current 120 Hz and would likely please those looking for the finest gaming phones. The Galaxy S24 series will reportedly include M13 OLED panels, according to a different rumor in a Korean magazine of choice. In comparison to current panels, the new M13 OLED display material is anticipated to be thinner and of greater quality. There's no disputing that an iPhone 15 Pro Max against Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra showdown would be the one to look out for in the future, despite the intriguing fact that the iPhone 16 is said to be utilizing the same display technology. Follow the newest S24 Ultra rumors and leaks for more information, especially considering how closely they'll compete with one another. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.